a beautiful Saturday afternoon, and I'm on my way to Cabana Pool Bar for Sunset 2017. It's a 2-day event. I've never ever gone to Cabana Pool Bar, and I've never ever gone to any Sunset event. It's to celebrate all the Gemini birthdays, and I'm not a Gemini. I got this ticket because a friend of mine couldn't make it, so I bought the ticket off of him. And I said I always want to go to Cabana Pool Bar, so we'll see how it goes. Sunset. Had a wicked time at Sunset. Enjoyed myself with the girls and got my glasses. Where are they? See them here? That's one. And then, oh my god, people are looking at me with this light on. Not right here. And two, it lights up. See? Yeah, so I enjoyed myself. Gonna go to Amnesia Boat Cruise June 30th. I'm putting a little bit of a plug in. And I enjoyed myself. Lots of soca. I guess because I'm an island girl, well, Canadian, Jamaican, but I have some island flavor. So it was okay. The soca was nice. The reggae, the R&B, so old school R&B came on at the end, and it was hard for us to leave. Oh my god. My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Yeah, you know the rest. Anyways, peace.